Hey everyone, want to install PowerShell 7 on your Windows computer? PowerShell 7 is Microsoft's modern, cross-platform command line shell and scripting environment. It includes performance improvements, new features, and better compatibility than Windows PowerShell 5.1. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to install PowerShell 7 step by step. So let's get started. First, check which version of PowerShell is already installed. Open Windows PowerShell, type the following command and press Enter. PS version table, PS version. If the version starts with 5.1, you're using Windows PowerShell. PowerShell 7 installs separately, so you can keep both versions on the same computer. Next, open your web browser and visit the official PowerShell GitHub releases page or the Microsoft Learn download page. Download the latest stable MSI installer for your system architecture, which is usually x64 for most modern Windows PCs. Once the download finishes, double-click the installer. If Windows asks for permission through user account control, click Yes to continue. Follow the installation wizard and choose your preferred options. You can add PowerShell to the system path, enable PowerShell remoting, register it in the Windows context menu, and create shortcuts if you want. Click Install and wait for the setup to complete. After the installation finishes, click Finish to close the installer. Open PowerShell 7 from the Start menu and run the following command to confirm that the installation was successful. PS version table, PS version. If you see a version beginning with 7, congratulations, PowerShell 7 has been installed successfully, and that's how to install PowerShell 7 on Windows. With the latest version installed, you'll have access to improved performance, modern features, and better scripting capabilities for administration, automation, and development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.